Hi, it's Peg, and I'm glad you're here. It is day 24 of AJ's Snark Attack 2020. That is a journaling challenge from Art Joyous Sharing Facebook group and my friend Shel C. So check her channel out too. We are going to be doing snarky journal pages all month long. And if you haven't seen them before, check out the playlist because I've created that for you. We also have the hashtag, so if you go over to Instagram or any other social media, you can find a bunch of snarky journal pages. I found some really cute stickers and die cuts. The stickers are from Create 365 Happy Planner by me and my big ideas. I think you can pick these up at a Tuesday morning. Um, yeah, I haven't been in any craft stores lately, so and then the die cut is from Art by Marlene. She's got some really cute die cuts. So I am making my statement on my page. On one of the stickers, there was a place that you could put numbered things, and I thought, well, I think I'm going to make my list. And at the top of the page, it says, today was going great until people. And then on my list, I have a list of snarky things, which says, do not break any SH expletive T. Number 2, do not fight over SH, you know what. Number 3, do not act like a little you know what. And number 4, most important, do not make me lose my you know what. So I am saying it loud and clear so that everybody knows. So these are meant to be short, sweet pages. I just like the contrast in the background of these different designs, and I will draw a border on here, add my sentiment. Uh, there's a sticker that says, "Get it, girl," and I highlight that with a Posca pen just to give it some added oomph. And that's about it for today's page. So if you're interested in joining Shel and I in making snarky pages, come and join us on Art Joy Sharing Facebook group. Um, you know, it's just a lot of fun and gives you ideas about what you can do when you're in lockdown. And I hope you're enjoying these videos and they're putting a smile on your face. That's the point of this is, we do art journaling every day in 1 month during the year, doing videos every day. And we're sharing snarky videos this year just to lighten the load. Everybody's got so much going on. It's such a tough time. And we just really want to put a smile on your face and do something enjoyable. Lose your thoughts about all the sad stuff that's going on. So, anyway, I hope you're enjoying this. If you are, please like, share, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell for notifications so that you're notified each time a new video comes out. And that's about it for me. And I'll quit talking and see you later. Bye.